Hey guys, so today we're going to print out a eagle. I found this model on Thingiverse by Strong Hero, and I'm going to go ahead and put a link to that in the video description. And AMZ3D just sent another roll of the Bronze PLA, so I'm going to go ahead and give that a shot. This one looks like a little bit darker color than the previous one, so I can't wait to give that a shot on it. This one is going to take support material. I was going to try doing it without, and when I looked at it in Cura, it looks like it's going to need it. So I'm going to go ahead and set it with support material all over. So it might be a little bit hard to see it in the time lapse, but let's go ahead and give it a shot. I'll see you at the end of the time lapse. Okay guys, 10 hours and 47 minutes later, and the eagle has landed. That fan is definitely getting louder. That's kind of unfortunate. Well, let's see. That came off nicely. Now, the question is support material. This is the Cura profile, so hopefully it won't be really bad. So far, so good. Actually, it ended up with way more support material than I thought it would. Oh, wow. Okay. Probably being a little bit too rough on some of this, but we'll see. It's getting to that point where I probably should get some needle nose pliers, because I will end up cutting myself if I keep doing this. It's kind of a tight one in there. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to grab some needle nose pliers. Let's just see if that comes. Ooh, that actually turned out better than I thought it would. That's cool. Let's see. There's a lot of support material there. My fill piece back there just came loose. Okay. Okay, let me see. Oh, there we go. I do have some close by here. Ooh, that cleaned up nicely. A little bit of it broke back here on his tail, but that's all right. Just need to do a little bit of cleanup on that. But look at the detail. I'm actually surprised at how that turned out. I figured with all the support material it might be kind of, I don't know, a little bit sketchy. That actually turned out way better than I thought it would. Kind of makes me feel better about using the support material, although there was quite a bit there. Although it's very, very thin, not a whole lot of the filament was wasted by doing that. That turned out pretty good. Wow, that is one detailed model right there. I'll put a link to it in the video description. I really recommend printing this one. That's a really cool one. That was printed in 0.2 layer height, and that was with the AMZ3D Bronze PLA. Turned out way better than I thought it would. Anyway guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Hey guys, thank you very much for watching this video. When you have a chance, please check out my website, jimmyshawstidbits.com, where you can purchase merchandise through my TeePublic store, as well as check out my Amazon affiliate link as well. Every little bit you purchase that way helps the channel tremendously, and I thank you for it very much. Also, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe, please click on the link over here. And if you'd like to support the channel, please click on my Patreon link over here. Also, if you'd like to watch one of my other videos, please give these a shot. I think you're going to like them. Oh yeah, you're going to like them, especially that one over there. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.